Yo, yo, yo. What's up, y'all? Um, Send out an announcement. So far, not really liking NASDAQ too much right now. I do want to take a trade if maybe we have some shorts here. But as a whole, we took out the weekly low, delivered kind of bullish from it, and then now it's kind of hopping around. What's up, Henry, Elias, Louis, Job, Alex? Um, I do really like gold though. Do really like the 15 minute, the 5 minute. So two focuses, gold longs, possibly NASDAQ shorts. We have some lined up lows right here. Just building up. Um I just find it kind of hard to long when we have like quite a bit of structure here. All these highs kind of took out something. So I don't really like longs. It's prop firm Chris, Angelica. Just like prop firm and then Chris. Did you slip yesterday? What happened, Henry? Did you slip? What's up, crew? How you doing, bro? What's up, Barna? Louis, Louis the Fifth. All right, let's see. See what happens here on gold. Like to see a little bit of a retracement, and then we'll look for longs. Otherwise, maybe we find something right here. Let's take a look at YM. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Naz is gonna dump here. Naz has a dumpy. Okay, I'm gonna set up here for gold possibly. Do that. Do 150. Um, yeah, for sure, Pablo. I'm positive it'll flip. I mean, we have some nice liquidity above. Yeah, so let's get in here on the inversion. All right, awesome. So I'm in on gold longs, and then I'd like to target some of these highs up here. So this is on the 15-minute time frame, which is good. We're having, respect from the higher time frame. All right, nice. So good reaction so far. And then let's keep an eye on NASDAQ still. Yes. Gonna take a peek here. Um, looks like NASDAQ is trying to trade through this this fair value gap on the 2-minute. I think NASDAQ will trade through these lows right here. I mean, I'm just not a huge fan because, I mean, if we enter, it'll be like a quick scalp, you know. Chris, it's my birthday. Can you get Nick to come sing happy birthday? I could sing happy birthday to you. You never know. He's probably on playing like Fortnite or something right now. He just has his account on invisible. Um Oh, you're the goat, Nick. I love you. See, I told you. I told you he was on. Thank you, Nick. I really appreciate you. Uh, Pedro, we're pulling back. We're pulling back a little bit. Still in a good overall position. We're respecting the IFEG. This is what trading is about. It doesn't go straight to your TP. Sometimes it moves around. The setup is good. We'll just see if gold wants to expand right now. It's all probabilities. Happy birthday, dear Brando. 456. I'm in longs on gold. I'm buying gold. I like longs more than shorts. Um, Nasdaq. I mean, we're slowly pulling down into these lows, like I mentioned. I'm just overall not a fan of like the price action. It's a little slow, not a lot of structure. Even down here, like, I mean, we already took out a weekly low, so yeah, I'm not really seeing anything on Nasdaq that I would like to take. But I definitely think we're gonna take out these lows, and then trade into like some fair value gaps down here. That's what I'm thinking for Nasdaq. Gold, so far, we're just sideways. I mean, I'm hoping we expand here. Thing about gold is sometimes you just have to give it time, and you have to give it a lot of space too. Um, Otherwise, it won't run for you. I know. I was just thinking the same thing, Brando. The way that I described it. We ballin'. I know Henry's ballin' when he's quiet. Ooh, look at that. Let me cook. Come on, gold. Give us that expansion. Uh, that's a good question, Louis. Kind of. We use some of the same concepts, and I'm sure if he saw this trade that I'm taking right now, he'd probably take the same one. Because it's a really clean inversion. We have liquidity above. Took out this previous daily low, and really there's no reason for gold to trade lower. Um, but yeah, I think he trades some similarities to me, but I know he also uses like what is it called? It's like a rebalance or something. I don't know. That's the only thing that I don't use that he uses. So yeah, very similar trading style. Um, but I also like focus on the lower time frame, and sometimes he'll focus on the higher time frame. Um, but I'm very dynamic, especially when it comes to like gold. Like this is more of a higher time frame play, just because the lower time frame isn't like really pretty. I don't know though. We're just kind of consolidating. The last it's gonna be 10 minutes now. We've been in this trade. At the moment, I'm not really looking at anything on Nasdaq. Uh, if I was to take a trade here on Nasdaq, it would be a long because we took out all the relative equal lows. We traded into a 5 minute gap, and then we left quite a bit of highs above here. So maybe we'll take something on Nasdaq. We'll see. We'll see how it develops. Not really a lot of fair value gaps or anything right here. So yes, I'm in gold longs. You can see my position on the left side over here. Yeah, so my reasoning for not taking a trade on Nasdaq initially is because price was very slow right here, and then I knew that once we took out these lows, we likely were not gonna continue any lower, so it didn't make sense for me to like go short right here. But now I'm seeing a possible opportunity to get long in here. Maybe we'll see. Let's look at the 2 minute. Yeah, it looks like we reclaimed this fair value gap right here. Okay, I'm gonna try for a light position. I don't like running two positions at the same time, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna go for a light position here on NASDAQ once it pulls back. Maybe. It's pulling back really hard. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe NASDAQ is playing around. Yeah, never mind. No longs for me on NASDAQ. Looks like straight shenanigans right there. I know. Thankfully we didn't. I mean, no fair value got formed. There was a lack of obviously there was a lack of reaction. Um, yeah, it's a little silly. I don't know. This gold trade is pulling my leg right here. I mean, it could definitely still deliver. Hmm. Yeah, kind of weird price action here on NAS. Let's take a look at YM. Um, wow. Yeah, YM looks like it's ready to trade lower quite a bit. Yeah, so we left two equal lows down here. What time was that from? Yeah, it wasn't anything significant. We have two fair value gaps. So definitely YM is looks really good for shorts if as long as NASDAQ is kind of similar. If it's staying low, staying in discount. You can still enter longs on gold. Huh. Crazy. It's really not moving. You like YM longs? I like shorts better for YM. Okay, nice. New 15-minute candle on gold. Looks like it's expanding a bit. Come on, let's get this Nick candle. Oh, my bad. Um, soon you'll be able to copy trade. Black Arrow is in testing right now. Very soon. Nice reaction right here on YM off that fair value up. Dude, let's go. Gold is finally making its move. I key I'm gonna tighten my stop loss over here. Make it real tight. Sick. Alright, yeah. Very tight. I don't know. That's definitely like something that we could talk about with the support team at DX. But I don't know if they really like support it. Originally, DX was used on it was used for some forex prop firms back in the day when MT5 went down. Gold is finally moving. I know, bro. Gold is just different. Like I said, you have to be patient with her. You have to give her space, and she does her thing after a while. This trade is your birthday gift. I'm your birthday gift, Brando. Let's get things straight. Yeah, I have 3 contracts. I was gonna mark out this fair value gap. No way. Oh my gosh. It's wiping out some of our profits here. Do I like YM? A little bit. We're reacting off of this 1 minute fair value gap. I like shorts for YM. We also alternatively, if it doesn't initially, um, if we don't initially get in right here, there's also this fair value gap that could be flipped. It has to have momentum though, and then it'll trade down to these lows. Um, it's kind of moving slow, so I don't really like an entry right now, but definitely if it picks up a little bit of volatility, should go like this. Should come down, invert, and then trade lower. No, I really don't like when gold plays around. This is like, this is wild. Okay, I like how YM is moving now. Let's look at some of these other time frames. 2 minute. Yeah, I might take YM shorts here if it looks nice in the next 30 seconds. We'll try it out. Yeah, if we flip this 1 minute, if we don't, then I probably won't take a short. Sheesh, looks like we didn't. 24 hours, low key. Yeah. Um, Either way, I suggest with gold, like the only thing I suggest with gold right now, trade is still good. I just would not be in with heavy size. Um, which is fine. I mean, if the trade moves, it's gonna be a big move. If not, then it's gonna be a small loss. So that's what I suggest about gold. Manage your risk. What trade did you take, crew? Tell us. Breakup structure on NQ and US. Okay, that's fair. I'll see you though, crew. You take care, brother. Okay, looks like IM's moving below that area. Have a little bit of structure right here. Let's see, NASDAQ is kind of just sideways. Yeah, we'll try for a quick scalp short here on YM. I'm gonna let it pull back a little bit and then I'm gonna go short. Let me turn on one-click trading. Okay. Oh, I'm on a full size. Oh, hold on. Whoa, what's going on? Did I get out? I did. Okay. Let me delete these orders. Forgot I'm on a full size YM. Alright, let's retry this. Just just something casual for a guy like me. Bro said son. Alright, let's try this again. Shorts YM. I just didn't want to hit flat and all, but it took a south gold trade. Son, what happened? Alright, so far so good. I don't really have any comments on YM. I mean, it's kind of moving slow, but I'm still pretty optimistic that price will move to these lows. See. You could just donate your accounts to me, Henry. They'll be put to good use. Over leveraging all day, if you know what I mean. If either one of my TPs hit, Nick has to give me a kiss. Just saying. Two entries missed by 2 ticks. Rip. And take all the risk. About to get a margin call on Henry. Okay, nice. YM's moving a bit. Has a little bit of structure right here. Hopefully it respects it. Looks like gold is moving now too. Oh my god. That like scares me, Henry. It's like a jump scare. This is gonna be our second 15-minute candle on gold right now. What do you mean? What Luca indicator? What are you talking about? I am the indicator. Low key, I think it gets to a point, guys. I don't think I could hold this gold long forever. Some fundings are up from Asia, but live funded accounts are down. We holding? You're holding. Couldn't be me. Just kidding. I don't know. It might break out right now. This might be the candle that we needed. That's it's moving a little bit. YM's looking good. Just hoping we keep the same energy. Gonna tighten up that stop loss a little bit. The Benji got a hold of you. The big Yahoo. Fire. Come on, one more push for YM. One more push for gold. Awesome, Shanks. Love to hear it. Send your P&L in chat. Oh, I guess. Well, technically, you're like probably break even. Maybe not. Thank you, Henry. Thank you. That's what I wanted to see. I'm gonna add that to the highlight reel. Okay, gonna go break even here on YM because it's looking real nice. Nice, nice. No worries, Shanks. No worries. As long as you're not red on the day. If you end break even, a little bit of profit, it's awesome. I'm still the GOAT. Thank you. You've moved to minis. That's fair, bro. Honestly, YM isn't typically like a lot of size. It's just because it was my second position. I didn't want to have a lot of risk on across both. But definitely, I do like to use like one whole mini or sometimes even two. You saved him. Bro went back in time. Dang. Oh, these charts are wild right now. Brother said, "RY, I'm good for longs." Brother, we're in shorts right now. Yeah, it's pretty bad. PA NASDAQ is mad sideways, hopping around, beeping and booting. I think we should just take our profit here, guys. Take our $80 and our 250 and call it a day. Gold just woke up. I don't know, bro. It keeps looking like it's gonna wake up and it doesn't. Yeah, I lost my patience, guys. I'm out. Both were in profit, but you know what? I just I can't. I can't with this PA. Say whatever you want, Henry. I don't care. YM and gold are dragging me down. YM still looks good. I think it could run lower, but sorry. I just want to take my profit. Got us out here in the Nasdaqistan. You know what I mean? Sheesh. You got you got delivery on both sides. You got delivery off the 30-minute and the 15-minute. Yeah, that's fair. It's uh basically break even on the day, but some of y'all made some profit. Good stuff. been in gold buys? Yeah, I mean, I just liked I had more confirmation when I entered. I had been wanting to enter like right at market open. Um but then yeah, I just wanted to see more confirmation. Now honestly looks like gold is running now. Awesome. That's what you love to see. Don't you love it? It's all right. Sen held for us, right? Sen. Nice. Good stuff. If y'all are still in, good stuff. Yeah, no problem, Jiv. Um, Sometimes you gotta get out, take some profit. Darren Stuffy. Call that one guy. What's his name? That guy that looks like Einstein. He's like that Wall Street guy. I need to figure out who I'm talking about now. Uh, yeah, isn't it called the Einstein of Wall Street? Okay, yeah. He looks like Einstein though, Loki. Let me pull him up. Bro, I gotta meet this guy one day. Gotta go to New York. That's the man. Hmm. Uh, yeah, we gotta have some fun times here, Jiv. Made some good friends here. Lots of laughs. Good research department. Awesome, Rise. Sounds good, brother. There's some Kleenex on it. Henry, I think you just need to go outside and drive your GT3 RS. I think that's what you need. Shoot. Got the wrong end of the stick. Henry's the man. If you guys are new here, make sure to check out my YouTube. Hopefully I have a video out today. Yeah, nothing crazy, Henry. Just a little light, 34K. Something light. I'm up $68. That's fair. No, that is fair. yeah, you have to pay half of it back, and like you probably only get like 40% at that point. No. I'm not in on gold, Kevin, but if you are, it's not a bad idea. Structure still looks really good. We have highs above. Let's take a look at NAS. Still sideways. Yeah, honestly, I kind of expected it. We had taken out the weekly low right here, and essentially, I mean, we could have traded higher, but at the same time, like with current news, with like the way that price moved down, like it swept out highs before moving, swept out highs. Both of those are conditions that price is supposed to trade lower, but because we took out the weekly low, obviously it kind of brings like conflicting factors right here. And then you pair it with some of these higher time frame fair value gaps, and we have both sides right here. We have a bearish fair value gap, and then if we go down to the 15-minute, we have a bullish one. So from here, I mean, it's Thursday. Possibility we retrace up to the highs tomorrow. But we'll just have to see. I'm not sure yet. 34K minus 10 minus 19. Dude, that's insane. You need to go to Puerto Rico. You need to kick it with TJR, like genuinely. Thailand. Yeah, that's fair. Would you keep your other business if you went to Thailand? Mm, from splits and at max 25%. That'd be way better. Yeah, no problem, World Trades. If you guys have any final questions here. Money gets used in the right ways over there. Is it not being used in the right ways right now? Oh, okay, I get you. No, that makes sense. All your money is going to the government. Yeah, if you guys held that gold trade, I mean it kind of worked out here. It's taking out those highs that I wanted to see. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, nice, Henry. Yeah, it's better to get off the charts, brother. Stretch them legs. If you already bought an account with Legacy yesterday morning and used some of it today, does it still count as a new account for the Black Arrow platform? So I'm assuming you have a DX account and you're saying if you could transfer it. I'm not sure if, yeah, I'm not sure if that's happening. Um, like if there's gonna be an ability to transfer over your progress. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't even have a Black Arrow account yet, so I'm not sure yet, honestly. Yeah, well, it's not out yet. Right now it's in testing, so you might see me trading with it soon. But right now the only people that have access are like moderators and the people on top. Henry right now. No, I already bought it. I suggest you trade with DX right now, and then when the new platform, when it lets you actually choose it, that's when you purchase your new account for Black Arrow. Like just trade the one that you have right now. Uh, all right, CSN. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting off too, guys. Good stream, good trades. Thank you all for showing up. We had a lot of people today. Again, make sure you check out the YouTube channel I sent above, and also join my Telegram in my bio. Yes, sir. All right, y'all have an amazing day. Peace, peace, peace. Y'all have a good one. See ya, Henry, Shadowless, B Dub, Jiv. Peace, peace, peace.